Hi, I'm Dr. Jha from Renew Clinic in Leamington Spa. Today we have this young gentleman by the name of Ricky. He has come all the way from Canada and he's been my client for nearly 2 years now, isn't it?
Been a couple of years,
Couple of
exciting years, couple of changes.
Yes. Ricky had a hair loss treatment with me. First we started with medical treatment for hair loss, and he benefited, but he did not benefited severely, I would say. But yes, he did benefit. But then he wanted to improve further, and we suggested him that he should choose the route of transplant, hair transplant. So we did a 2000 grafts procedure, FUE, and here he is today, and he's come for a follow-up.
I've got a smile on my face.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you flew and you arrived this morning, isn't it?
Yeah, I arrived about an hour and 30 minutes ago.
Your experience with us?
My experience has been great. So when I first came here, probably about 18 months ago, I'd say, the first thing we did some PRP sessions when I was coming back to visit family. And I noticed a slight improvement, but obviously with the hairline which had been receding, the hair wasn't growing where I wanted it to grow, and I was getting a little bit of results from the PRP, especially towards the kind of back of the head, but I wasn't getting anything at the front. So I decided that when I was back in October of last year, that I was going to get the hair transplant done. So I had the 2000 hair transplant, and it's been great. I mean, like you can see from the hairline, it's really good. I'm super pleased with it. Dr. Jha killed it. He was awesome. Told me kind of everything that I wanted to hear and everything that I needed to know. And gave me all kind of the good advice, and it was something that we didn't rush into. We talked about it, that maybe it was a possibility, and then I decided last year that I was going to go ahead and do it, and I couldn't have been. I was skeptical at first, but since having it done, I mean, you can see how happy I am, considering when I came in before I was very self-conscious about my hair. I think a lot of people can be self-conscious about their hair, but I was something that I didn't like, and I'd always kind of wear hats, especially where I live in Canada. Everybody, the town I live in, everyone's wearing hats and stuff, but for me, it was one thing I hated to do, is take my hat off, but now it's great, and it's improving, and so we're at 7 months right now. So I've really noticed a difference over the last month of the hair coming through. So right now it's a little bit of a different colour to the side of my hair, but that just takes time, so in a few months it should match up, or it will match up I should say. So yeah, super happy. It looks 100 times better than it did when I was here last October. And so for me, I've always kind of had longish, medium to longish hair, so I kind of wanted that to kind of come back, and yeah, like I said, I was self-conscious about it, and it's great. I love it, and yeah, I'm just excited for the next few months to see how it keeps growing.
Good. One point to the viewers, we will add the before and after images in this video, so you can see how Ricky looked before and how he looked now.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy with the results that we have achieved. Ricky is happy, and Ricky's mom is very happy as well. Today we are going to repeat the PRP, which I suggest to most of our clients, 2 PRP treatments following year and thereafter. Thank you. Thank you.